Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swastha Raksha Ayurveda. This is Dr. Sapata Ranam, BMS MD, Gold Medalist. Paribhasha Prakarana series has been going on, and after the well response of two videos, the third part is now, and here we'll be discussing about Nirvapa. In Paribhasha Prakarana part 2, we have learned about Shodhana. We have seen what all are the types of Shodhana. In this method also Shodhana can be carried out for purification. In that we have come across a word called Nirvapa as well. And in previously videos I have asked, if you know any example, please do comment. Okay, hence we'll start today the word Nirvapa. What does Nirvapa mean? There are two references. One is taken from Rasa Tarangini, second chapter, 40th shloka, and the other reference is Rasaratna Samucha, 8th chapter, 56th shloka. You can take any one shloka, UG students, by heart one shloka and just write it down in your exam. For PG scholars, it's well and good if you know both the shlokas because you are a bit higher version of UG, right? So it will be better if you know both of them. धातवाद्दैर्वह्नि तप्तस्य जलादौ यन्निषेचनं स निर्वापः स्मृतिश्च अपि निषेकः स्नपन्न च तत्. The reference is taken from Rasa Tarangini, 2nd chapter, 40th shloka, in which Acharya says that Dhatavat means any metal. Vahani taptasya. Vahani is nothing but Agni. Okay, fire. Taptasya, heating. Tapta jab tak hota, like when it is red hot, until then we have to heat the dhatu. Jal ado means jal, any liquid, water or any other liquids. Yanni shechanam, which means that you have to dip in that. You have to heat the metal to red hot, then you have to dip in any liquid. That is known as Nirvapa. It is also called as Nisheka, Snapanna. In further shloka, you can see the word Nisheka and Snapanna are the synonyms of Nirvapa. The second shloka is taken from Rasa Ratna Samuchaya, 8th chapter, 56th shloka, in which Acharya tells that Taptasya apsu vinikshipo nirvapaha snapannam cha tat, which means that tapta, as word tapta means heating to red hot. Apsu is nothing but water or any other liquid. Vinikshipo, dipping in, that is known as nirvapa or snapanna. Both are the synonyms. Heating the metal to red hot and immersing it into the water or any other liquid, prescribed liquid, as we have seen in previous Paribhasha Prakarana class, where pittala is being heated to red hot, then dipped in tila taila. That is Nirvapa only. Type of Shodhana, okay? When the metals are heated to red hot and immersed in water or other liquids, then that pharmaceutical procedure is known as Nirvapa. As we have learned, the synonyms are Snapanna and Nisheka. Application. This procedure is used in Shodhana of many dravyas, metals, etc. like Abhraka Shodhana, purification of mica, Swarnamashika Shodhana, purification of copper pyrite, Rajata Shodhana, purification of silver, Swarna Shodhana, purification of gold, Tamra Shodhana, purification of copper, and many such examples you can see. Okay, a question. In Abhraka Shodhana, where you can find Nirvapa and what all are the liquids mentioned for Nirvapa procedure, please do comment. Here you can see a diagrammatic representation of how the metal is being heated in fire until red hot and dipped into a liquid. It's Nirvapa. We have seen this video in Shodhana also, and forms of Shodhana, in that Nirvapa is also included. Hence, this is the Nirvapa procedure. Let us know deeply probable mode of action of Nirvapa. One can hypothetically explain the mode of action of Nirvapa on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. Nirvapa occurs at three stages. First stage, phase of heating. Second stage, phase of quenching. Third stage, post quenching, interaction between solid hot material and liquid media. UG scholars just can see for the purpose of understanding. There's no need for writing. If you want, just you can mention the 3 points, but internally what all you have to write, that is not very important. But as a PG scholar, you should know we have to write everything. What will happen in phase, all the 3 phases. Let us know. Phase of heating. Solid crystals at rest has packed particles which are closely together in a lattice form and vibrate in their fixed position. You can see in further slide. But when the temperature increases, the particle gain energy and vibrate more strongly and occupy more spaces. This causes the solid to expand. At the same time, water molecules evaporate and come out through mineral separating metal in various layers along with its parallel cleavage plane. Increase in interatomic distance leads to weakening of electrostatic forces. Due to the continuous heating, particle gets enough energy to break the forces holding them together, and they can move around. Here you can see that the solid state is being compactly arranged when heating causes the loosening of bond. In the GIF you can see how the loosening of bonds takes place. As you all know that kinetic theory, matter of theory is nothing but when the solid is heated, it melts into liquid, and the liquid when heated, it will evaporate to form gases. Now let us move to the second phase, that is phase of quenching. Quenching is nothing but dipping in any liquid media. When the hot red metal heated and dipped into any liquid, what will be the reaction taken place? Water media immediately penetrates inside and water soluble impurities get dissolved in it due to breaking of remaining ionic bonds, while sudden change in temperature causes breaking of other strong bonds too, and this destroys its flexibility and makes it more brittle. Here you can see the compactly arranged metal. When rapidly cooling is done, what will happen? First of all, heating causes expansion, then sudden dipping, the water molecule penetrates, impurities are dissolved, and other ionic bond between them is also broken. You can see the structure. They are compactly arranged into square form. Then when suddenly dipped, rapid cooling occurs, then the metal expands. Flexibility is increased, making it more brittle. I hope I'm clear. If not, you please comment. The third stage will be post quenching. Post quenching, interaction between liquid medium and mineral during the instant cooling. Due to heating the particles, which are in random position. When come in contact with liquid media, each molecule of the mineral or metal gets surrounded by liquid and the self-cooling takes place. This may be the reason of imposing of properties of Nirvapa Dravya on metal or mineral. If this process of quenching is done 7 times, usually acharyas have prescribed 7 times. Naturally, it is going to 1. Reduce the hardness and impose the property of various media. As you know, acharyas have taken various dravya media like Trifala Kwata, Tilataila, Gomutra, etc. Those all properties is been imposed into the metal. Third, causes the color change. You have seen Pittala, which has been heated and dipped into the Tila Taila. Now in this video you have seen that how after removing from Tila Taila, when we clean, you can see a drastic color change. The hardness has been reduced. And when chemically tested, obviously the Tilatalai properties will be imposed into the Pittala Patras. I hope you have understood the Nirvapa properly, and I wish you all write it very nicely in your exam sheet as well. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Signing off, Dr. Sabatarannu, BMSMT Gold Medalist, founder of Swastharaksha Ayurveda Clinic, Panchakarma and Wellness Center, Gulbarga. If you have any queries or questions, please comment. I'll surely reply. For appointments, contact the number given on the slide. Thank you. If you want any class regarding any topic of Ayurveda, not only Rasa Shastra but Ayurveda, then please comment so that I'll make sure the next class will be that.